Great drive up with large landscaping area for your personal touches. Let's get a little closer to see the covered porch entry. What a great entry once you are inside your home. Gorgeous hardwoods greet you as you enter. Upon entry you will find a long hallway which makes the living spaces beyond very private. Your private office is directly to your right upon entry. Very versatile living space for your personal needs. Currently being used as an office. What a beautiful setting as you enter the living space of your home. Kitchen, dining, and living room stacked for alternative furniture placement and design. Great granite counters on all surfaces in island kitchen. Ample light through the many windows available in this great home. View from the living room, through the dining room, to the kitchen. How's that for entertaining? The butler's pantry on the left in this photo makes for the perfect buffet area for guests and occasions. The dining area with the breakfast bar/island makes for a great meeting area, entertaining, and gathering. So much storage provided by the many cabinets and drawers available. Master bedroom features sitting area and lots of windows. Master bedroom features separate sitting area. Here you can see the master ensuite bathroom as well. Master bathroom features walk-in closet, separate shower and garden tub, as well as separate sinks. Secondary bedroom down features walk-in closet. Secondary bathroom downstairs features tile enclosure and rubbed bronze fixtures. Secondary bedroom down features walk-in closet. Shall we go upstairs? Game room upstairs features box window seats and ample light from windows. You'll find the fourth bedroom upstairs with a game room and third full bath. It could be someone's private apartment. Just another look at the full bathroom upstairs, wide angle view. Upstairs full bath features tiled enclosure and flooring. View from the side yard through the covered patio and large backyard. How about that plush Bermuda grass in the large private backyard with plenty of room for a pool or play center? Here is your view from the far end of the backyard. You can see the side yard that can be enclosed and used as a dog run as well. This is the builder's elevation photo. There are currently none available in inventory, but you can build. It will take you 1 year to move in. Why wait? Call this one your home today. This is the layout of the first floor, but it's flipped from what is portrayed in this photo. This is what is available upstairs but is flipped from what you see in this photo.